everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and welcome to yet another vlog. If you guys are new here and watching my channel for the first time probably, then
Hi, subscribe.
so today हम लोग हमारे खेत में आए हैं बिकॉज यहाँ पे खेत में मेरे काका ने कोरिएंडर लगाई है विच इज़ धनिया and also there are some chilies का झाड़ and also अदरक which is ginger. So we are here to get some for us and now this is like my favorite place. I just love sitting here and यहाँ पे है कोरिएंडर और उसमें अभी मेरे अंकल ने स्प्रिंकल इरिगेशन जो होता है ना वो चालू किया है तो इतना मस्त फ्रेग्रेंस आ रहा है, मिट्टी वाला वो फ्रेग्रेंस जो आता है ना फर्स्ट बारिश के बाद जो आता है वैसा ही सेम आ रहा है एंड आई एम जस्ट लविंग इट. आई एम लविंग सिटिंग हियर. माय सिस्टर एंड माय काका आर देयर. दे आर प्लकिंग सम मिर्चीज फॉर होम एंड आई एम सिटिंग हियर इन छाव बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम मैं आई थी और मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मिर्चियाँ तोड़ी थी एंड आई गॉट टैन वेरी बैडली बट दिस टाइम आई एम नॉट गोना गो इन द सन बिकॉज द सन इज़ रियली हार्श हियर. So yeah, I'm just sitting here and enjoying. Also this dupatta I am taking because मैं जब आ रही थी तभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा धूप था तो I just tied it around my on my face and I covered my arms, but now there's no need actually. So yeah, that is it. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy today's day. I don't know what it's already 4 o'clock. I'm starting my vlog pretty late, but yeah, I'm enjoying it. Today it was not planned to vlog today. धनिया तो इतनी अच्छी आ रखी है ना, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. और मिर्चियाँ तो आपने लास्ट वाले व्लॉग में देख ली होगी. अगर आपने नहीं देखी हो तो वो मेरा मराठी व्लॉग है, लेकिन देख लेना जाके एक बार. माई सिस्टर इज़ जस्ट लाइक बिजी प्लकिंग चिलीज. शी इज़ एन्जॉइंग इट राइट नाउ, बट घर जाने के बाद मालूम पड़ता है कि क्या होता है ये एन्जॉयमेंट. इतना टैन हो जाता है ना भाई साहब. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट लाइक सिटिंग हियर एंड चिलिंग एंड लेट हर एन्जॉय हर मिर्ची प्लकिंग सेशंस. नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर समवेयर एल्स ओनली. एनीवे, सो या, लेट्स कंटिन्यू द व्लॉग.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows, I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
To be is working in farms.
If the world was ending. It's getting late, wanna fade away.
Look how pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the sprinkle irrigation. You see these lines over here? That is the sprinkle. I'm feeling like a bath in it. Making the shield out of the dupatta to get protected from the sun.
Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Look at the beauty of the sky.
The next day.
अरे मार, you can do it. I'm very scared. अरे तू सा तो है भाई. अरे jump. You go girl. अबे, अरे तू ट्राई कर अरे. बंजी जंपिंग करी करना तू. अब तो तुझे बांध दिया था. चल go. अरे you
So basically what we have to do is we have to burn all this kachra, which is like dry leaves and all of that. So for burning we have to go from this wall to the surface down there, and actually वहाँ से दूर से एक रास्ता है, but we were just trying to get through the shortcut, but my sister is like a freaky ass. She's not going to jump down.
बहुत ज़्यादा डरपोक है वो, so I'm standing here to give her the rest of the kachra of the house and also the matches, but she's like she came from that side.
Yeah, she goes. दीवार लेके मत जाना नीचे। यार जल्दी भाई ले ले। अरे ये तो आते लग रहा था। ये लेके भागो भाई।
So this was the princess show, guys. We were just discussing about making a video of all the family members explaining her in-laws that how beautifully we have kept her, and now you see how beautifully we have kept her. ओके अपडेट, द फायर जो हम लोग ने लगाई थी वो कुछ ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है, अभी हम उसको बुझाएंगे।
केला है ब्रो, नो आई कांट टेल एनीथिंग, वाटर इज देयर एट की। ओह फक, अब बता, ओह फक, अबे चालू है पानी आता है, केले में पानी चालू है बिच, इतना रे।
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi everyone, I am back and I am here to explain you guys what actually happened. This is the next day and my sister already went to Pune. So if you guys are wondering who that girl, that Tufani girl was in that previous clip, then she is my sister. She is my cousin sister, and also she's going to get married in the month of May 2021. So she's the bride to be and she's doing all of this Tufani. So what basically happened was
I and my sister decided to burn the kachra which was in our backyard. That is not actually our backyard, हम लोग का एक compound है और फिर उसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा कचरा था and even we wanted to burn some of our kachra. So what we basically did, like we thought that we'd go to that side of the compound and burn it. So we did it, like so yeah, we just thought कि वो पीछे का जो area था, we thought कि वो भी clean हो जाएगा, इसलिए हमने उसको थोड़ा सा जलाने का सोचा। तो लेकिन हमें उसे थोड़ा सा ही जलाना था। So what happened basically, my sister went down the compound. She went down the compound, that side of the compound, by walking all over the society. और वहाँ पे जाके उसने वो जला दिया। And then we decided कि हम लोग उसको compound के ऊपर से ऊपर ले लेंगे। तो फिर मैंने उसको नीचे चेयर दे दी और फिर वो चढ़ के ऊपर आ गई और उसके बाद we were just like talking to each other and then we realized that the fire has increased and it is spreading all over. So हम लोग के बाजू में एक बिल्डिंग था और उसके ही सामने एक नारियल का झाड़ था। As you guys saw, that tree started burning vigorously and I was like, oh shit. Me and my sister decided कि हम लोग उस पे पानी डाल के वो जो spreading fire है उसको रोक देंगे। और तब तक it started burning so much और फिर चालू हो गया burn होना and all of the building members were like, who did it? They were like, we didn't do it. It was not we. It was not us. We did not do anything and we were shit scared about that thing, but I finally बुझ गई and this is it guys, this is it, this is what we are doing. Our bride to be is burning houses. Oh my god, we were laughing so hard after that, but yeah, I think this is the memory we are going to cherish for the whole life and we have something to tell to our kids, like kids, don't mess up with your moms because they can burn anything. If my sisters in-laws are in case watching this video, then please don't get misunderstood. हमारी दीदी ऐसी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है and वो बिल्कुल भी तूफानी नहीं करती. She's a very शांत person, but अगर उससे कभी तूफानी हो जाती है ना तो वो सबके जान से खेल जाती है. हम लोग ने उसे बहुत फूलों की तरह संभाला है, but हमारा फूल थोड़ा अजीब सा है तो थोड़ा सह लेना. But yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at the burning flames we created. And yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also I'm very sorry to be a little late because you know a lot of things are going on in my life. A lot of updates are coming and also my sister is getting married, so I'm a little busy in that. But don't worry, I'm going to vlog everything which is related to my sister's शादी. So just don't worry, it is in the month of May. So हमारे पास पूरा अप्रैल है और I guess पूरा अप्रैल शादी वाले vlog से ही बना रहेगा. But yeah, see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, bye.